Welcome to Eagle Creek Golf Club. This is Dr. Justin Coe with Oviedo Chiropractic.
My name is Liam Sullivan and I'm the Director of Coaching here at Eagle Creek. And we're here today to talk to you about how chiropractic care can help you with your golf game.
Joint range of motion and muscle range of motion all are interconnected. And so what we want to do is we want to connect those range of motions through so that way we can get that flexibility through there. The inflexibility portion, and again, in a repetitive sport like golf, can create injury.
Range of motion is absolutely critical for a number of points, but I'll go to the number one question I get, which is how do I hit the ball further? What I would ask golfers to do is use a device called a speed stick, or alternatively, we can just use two golf clubs to make the weight double. And the challenge there for the golfer would be to make the longest backswing they can possibly create. And at that point, it would highlight to me what is the student capable of achieving with that speed stick. And if that range of motion wouldn't give us the answer we're looking for in terms of creating the extra distance, then it would be time potentially to go and see Dr. Coe and figure out what the issue is with the body there.
The specific techniques that we use in our office help with the flexibility, especially of the lower spine, but all the way through. We treat the whole body as one. We'll treat mostly the major parts of the spine, and then we move up through the smaller joints through the middle part, and then we go through the neck, so that way all the joints are moving together. The joints fit together like puzzle pieces, and so when those puzzle pieces or one part of that chain is stuck or not moving or inflexible, then the rest of them are going to have to take on the extra load. And so what we want to do is we want to make sure all of them are working together as one, so that way we can create a flexible joint, but also to create a flexible spine, and or if there's injury that's already there, we want to again prevent it from getting worse, but also too we want to aid that injury.
The first thing I would look at is, are they restricting themselves in the setup? A lot of golfers come with too much weight in their toes, and the other thing that I see is too wide of a stance. Now if people have a very wide stance, that then locks the hips and then you're unable to rotate correctly. So the first two things I look for when somebody has a limited range of motion talking about their setup would be, what is the stance width like and where is their weight distributed in their body?
If somebody wants to really improve their golf game on a weekly basis, stretching every day. So really take inventory of what you do for a living. What are the muscles that you're using every single day? And so those are the muscles that you want to stretch first. And then on a daily basis, almost every night, take the golf club, try to get in that stance every day, 5-10 minutes every day. And then what are those muscles that we're using? What can we stretch? And then also too, what can we strengthen? So the muscles that you're using every day, you want to stretch. The muscles that you're not using, the counteractive muscles, you want to strengthen.
My greatest challenge is working around what people have and explaining to them that if a golfer wants to hit the ball 40 yards further, then perhaps with the body with some limitations, without additional care from a chiropractor, I can maybe get them half the way there, and it really would be meshing the two, the increase in the technique, ultimately intertwined with a better physique.